Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to check the app Frame Spark. Choose an image of your choice. Go to apps, search for Frame Spark, and then choose this image. Adjust the edit adjustment, and then generate the frame. That's it. You've got a wonderful frame. You can try out with different images also. Now what you can do is you can actually choose any image to fill that frame, and you can see how this magic works. Let us see how. Here we are doing some colorful flowers and then added it to the frames, and you can see the changes. That's all from this channel today, and thank you for watching. Click the button like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching once again.